Hello and welcome back to my channel, to a series of videos introducing SpoG. SpoG is a Google Sheets add-on that generates various components of a fully functional database application. The application can be CRM or other modules of an ERP system. All of these components are derived from data and metadata you provide codelessly. This video and the following one show a use case of a SpoG application. The application was designed by requirements from a specific small guided tours business. So the user is that business's manager, and the purpose of the application is to let him efficiently manage the data required at different stages of his business process. In this video, we'll go through the data design for this use case, and in the following video, we'll see how the application operates from the point of view of the user. And for some features, we'll take a peek behind the curtain to learn how it was defined in the metadata of SpoG. But first, let's examine the entities and their relationships. The first one is customers. Customers are people who are potential tour participants. The table holds their details such as phone number. Some customers are heads of groups, usually families, and the business interacts with them only when advertising the next trip. Each group member record has a table relationship pointing to the record of the group's head customer. Next is a dietary restriction types table. Let's call it DRT, which we saw in a previous video. In each customer's record, an ID of a DRT record is stored according to his or her preferences. A tour template is a general plan for a tour, which holds details like destination and the hotel, which are implemented by a relationship to the appropriate tables, and a detailed text describing each day's plan, implemented with a one-to-many relationship to a plan per day table. For simplicity of the diagram, not all actual tables are drawn. In a campaign, business advertises the plan, the tour template, to the customers. The fact that they are advertised to them is reflected in the database by a relationship between customers and tour templates. It is a many-to-many relationship and is implemented with a connecting table, tour template campaign. A tour template campaign record can be in several states, like sent, rejected, or a state name to assign, meaning that the customer wants to take the tour described by the template and now awaits to be assigned to a specific group traveling on a specific date. This specific group is reflected in a record of table tour group. It can be considered as an instance of a tour template, and it has inherited properties as well as a date and a state. States can be planned, pre-flight, in-tour, or cancelled. After a positive reply to the campaign, the customer is assigned to a specific tour group via the relationship between tables, customers, and tour group. The relationship is implemented with the mid-table group members. When checking in to the hotel, each group member is given a room from the available rooms for that specific tour group. This is a basic entities relationship structure for this business. In the next video, we are going to see how it is implemented with SpoG, together with a set of queries and actions that help manage the business data in each state of the business process. To learn more about SpoG, please visit gazebotech.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.